System of the human body. Digestive system. The complete process of nutrition is divided into 5 stages. Number 1, ingestion. Number 2, digestion. Number 3, absorption. Number 4, assimilation. Number 5, defecation. Number 1, ingestion. Taking the food into the mouth is called ingestion. Number 2 point, digestion. Conversion of non-absorbable food into absorbable form. The digestion of the food is started from the mouth. Saliva is secreted by salivary gland in mouth in which enzyme amylase is present. They convert starch into simple sugar and make it digestible. In humans, secretion of saliva is approximately 1.5 liters per day. The nature of saliva is acidic, pH 6.8. From the mouth, food reaches into stomach through food pipe. No digestion takes place in food pipe. The teeth used for grinding of food is molar. Digestion in stomach. The food lies approximately for 4 hours in the stomach. After reaching the food in the stomach, gastric gland secretes the gastric juice. This is a light yellow acidic liquid. Hydrochloric acid secreted from the oxyntic cells of the stomach kills all the bacteria coming with food and accelerates the reaction of enzymes. Hydrochloric acid makes the food acidic, by which amylase reaction of the saliva ends. The enzymes in the gastric juice of stomach are pepsin and renin. Pepsin breaks down the protein into peptones. Renin breaks down the casinogen into casein found in milk. Digestion in duodenum. As soon as the food reaches the duodenum, bile juice from liver combines with it. Bile juice is an alkaline and it turns the acidic medium of food into alkaline. Here, pancreatic juice from pancreas combines with food. It contains 3 types of enzymes. Number 8, trypsin. It converts the protein and peptone into polypeptides and amino acids. Amylase. It converts the starch into soluble sugar. Lipase. It converts the emulsified fats into glycerol and fatty acids. A small intestine. Here the process of digestion completed and absorption of digested foods starts. From the wall of a small intestine, intestinal juices secretes. The following enzymes contain ellipsin. It converts the remaining protein and peptone into amino acids. Maltase. It converts the maltase into glucose. Sucrase. It converts the sucrose into glucose and fructose. Lactase. It converts the lactose into glucose and galactose. Lipase. It converts the emulsified fats into glycerol and fatty acids. Intestinal juice is alkaline in nature. In a healthy people, approximately 2 liters of intestinal juice secretes every day. Absorption. Digested food gets mixed into blood is called absorption. The absorption of digested food takes place through villi found in the wall of a small intestinal. Assimilation. Use of absorbed food in the body is called assimilation. Defecation. Undigested food reaches into large intestine where bacteria turns it into feces, which is excreted through anus. The main organs participating in digestion. Liver. This is the largest gland of the human body. Its weight is approximately 1.52 kilogram. Bile is secreted through liver only. This bile accelerates the reaction of enzymes present in the intestine. Liver converts excess of amino acid into ammonia by deamination. These ammonia are further converted into urea by Ornithine cycle. Urea comes out from body through kidney. Liver converts some quantity of protein into glucose during deficiency of carbohydrate. In carbohydrates metabolism, liver converts the excess of glucose found in blood into glycogen and stores it into hepatic cell as reserve nutrient. If the necessity of glucose arises, the liver converts reserve glycogen into glucose. Thus, it regulates the quantity of glucose in the blood. In case of decrease of fat in food, liver converts some of the parts of the carbohydrates into fat. The production of fibrinogen protein takes place by liver, which helps in clotting of blood. The production of heparin protein takes place in liver, which prohibits the clotting of blood inside the body. The dead RBC is destroyed by the liver only. The liver reserves some quantity of iron, copper, and vitamin. It helps in regulating the body temperature. Liver is an important clue in investigating a person's death that has been due to poison in food. Gallbladder. Gallbladder is a pear-shaped sac in which the bile coming out of liver is stored. Bile comes into the duodenum from gallbladder through the bile duct. Secretion of bile into the duodenum takes place by reflex action. Bile is a yellowish green colored alkaline liquid. Its pH value is 7.7. The quantity of water is 85% and the quantity of bile pigment is 12%. The main functions of bile are as under. Number 1. It makes the medium of food alkaline so that pancreatic juice can work. Number 2. It kills the harmful bacteria coming with food. Number 3. It emulsifies the fats. Number 4. It accelerates the bowel movement of intestine by which digestive juices in the food mix well. Number 5. It is helpful in the absorption of vitamin K and other vitamins mixed in fats. In case of obstruction in bile duct, liver cells stop taking bilirubin from blood. As a result, bilirubin spreads throughout the body. This is called jaundice. Pancreas. This is the second largest gland of the human body. It acts as simultaneously endocrine and exocrine type of gland. Pancreatic juice secretes out of it, in which 9.8% water and the remaining parts contain salt and enzymes. It is alkaline liquid whose pH value is 7.5 to 8.3. It contains the enzymes which can digest all the three types of food materials like carbohydrates, fat, and protein. Therefore, it is called complete digestive juice. Isolates of Langerhans. This is a part of the pancreas. It was discovered by the medical scientist Langerhans from its beta cell insulin, from alpha cell glucagon, and from delta cell somatostatin hormones are secreted. Insulin. It is secreted by beta cell and islets of Langerhans. Glucagon is secreted by alpha cell and somatostatin. Hormone is secreted by gamma cell of islets of Langerhans. It was discovered by Banting and Best in the year 1921. It controls the process of making glycogen from glucose. Diabetes is caused due to the deficiency of insulin. Excessive flow of insulin causes hypoglycemia, in which one loses the reproducing capacity and vision deterioration. Glucagon. It reconverts the glycogen into glucose. Somatostatin. This is a polypeptide hormone which increases the duration of assimilation of food.